In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create or how to generate captions for your Facebook ad campaigns using a tool that an AI tool that everyone is talking about. This is ChatGPT. So if you haven't tried ChatGPT yet, in this video I'll be showing you how you can generate a good Facebook ad caption to use alongside your images in your Facebook ad campaigns. To generate your Facebook captions using ChatGPT, all you need to do is log into ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT by searching just that, ChatGPT login on Google. Then sign up for an account if you don't already have one. And if you have an account, log in very fast. Then once you get into your ChatGPT dashboard, click on New Chat. Then send message. So here we are going to try to create a caption, a human-like caption for our Facebook ad poster. Okay, we're going to post this caption. The caption we're going to generate here, we're going to use it on our Facebook ad campaign alongside with the images that I created in the first part of this video, right? So okay, I'm going to be linking the video I recently created about how to create different sizes of Facebook posters. The square poster, the 1080 by 1080 pixels, the vertical posters, that is the 1080 by 1920 pixels, then the rectangular image poster, the 1200 by 628 pixels. All of this, we're going to be using it later in our Facebook ad campaign. So I will link the video in the description. Make sure you watch it if you are watching this in an attempt to create your own Facebook ad campaign, because you need the images which I have explained in the video, which I'm going to link in the description. Then you need the text or the caption which we are creating in this video to be able to set up your Facebook ad campaign. So in this video, let's dive into how to generate an actual human-like Facebook ad caption. All right, a caption is simply the text part of an advert. So let's tell ChatGPT something and see what it can do. Let's say assume you are an expert copywriter. Okay, an expert copywriter. Write for me a Facebook ad copy about precast concrete panels. And the benefits they offer compared to traditional cast in place methods. The ad copy needs to be persuasive. Yes, let's make it persuasive. And contain relevant emojis. Let's add other information. Let's give it some more information. Make sure to mention that we deliver orders to clients construction sites. or site. That's it. Let's see what ChatGPT can be able to generate from that. If we like it, that's good. We can go ahead and use it. Okay, no, let's add more information. Precast panels enables builders to save both time and money. That's okay. So send. As you can see, AI is generating our sales ad copy, which is kind of long, but it's good. It looks good. Ready to build and save money on your next construction project? Consider precast panels. Our high quality panels are manufactured off-site, which means you can reduce construction time and labor costs by this is not real. It's supposed to be 30 to 40%, but the other information looks good. So let's just, for the purpose of this video, let's just copy this. Let's just copy that for the purpose of the video and time. Let's copy that. So that's it. The copying this text and use it, copy that text and use it in your Facebook ad campaign. So in the next video, in the next part of this 3-part video, we're going to be looking at how to set up a high converting Facebook ad campaign so you can reach your target audience and sell them whichever the product you're trying to sell them, or the service if you're selling a service. So see you on the next one. Make sure you catch up. See you on the next one as we look at how to set up a Facebook ad campaign using the text we just copied and the posters we created in our first part of this video. Alright, that's it. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out whenever we upload such educational videos. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions about whatever content we are covering here. Leave a comment. Also like the video. It helps to reach the video to more people like you. And that's it.